Hey guys, it's Sam here from Ellie Rose Party Designs and welcome to today's video. And today's video we're going to be learning how to assemble Rice Krispie. Now these are the same template that I actually have for sale in my shop, which I'll link down below the video. And but the ones that we're going to be using today are the unicorn themed Rice Krispie Treats that I have in my shop too. Okay, so what will happen is you will receive a PDF file that will either look like this or will look like that there, and all you need to do is pretty much just cut it on either side and you will end up with something looking like this. Okay, now the paper that I'm using, this is like a gloss paper, and it's semi-thick. It's about 80 GSM. Okay, but I get mine wholesale from a place here in Australia, which is on Office through Officeworks. Okay, so this is how it will look. Okay, you will also need, now this is optional, and these scissors here which have like little teeth. Now I also have a crimping tool. And you, once again, don't need this, but it does make it look a little bit more realistic. This is one that I have made that I have not crimped, and this is one that I have crimped. Okay, so it's really up to you, whichever one you feel will work best for you. Okay, and then I'm going to be using LCM bars, which is exactly the same as Rice Krispies. Here in Australia we actually call them LCMs. Okay, and the size that will come is these ones here. Okay, and I'll mention down below this video exactly what the size of the template is and what size bars you're meant to get. So these ones are 132 grams, which I believe was about 6 or 70. Must be about 70. I remember 70 something, but I'll link it down below the video anyhow. Okay, so, and then of course you need some type of adhesive, if it's hot glue or a double-sided tape, but I'm going to be using my ATG gun. Alrighty, so let's get started. So all I'm going to do is, once I've cut out my template, there it is there, we're going to flip it over. And we are going to, okay, so all I'm going to do first is, flip it this way, and I am just going to put a little bit of tape at the very bottom, if I can actually match it up properly, very bottom, there we go. Okay, and then what I will also do is put tape along either side, or glue, shall I say. Okay, so let's just pop some on here, like so, and then over here too. Try and get as close as you can to the edge. I didn't do too much of a good job with that, but that's okay. Now, you probably don't have to put that on until you're actually getting it assembled, but I just did it that way. Okay, and then all you're going to do is just completely try and squeeze your thing as close together as possible, and then we're just going to flip that over, and then we're going to flip the side that we've just glued. We've got the glue on this side, okay, and then we're going to squeeze it together and pop that over there too. Okay, and then just making sure that it is lined up over here and it's lined up over there. All right, the next thing I'm going to do is just push that in there and that in there, like that, and then on the side too. All right, and all I'm going to do is squeeze from the outside in. Okay, so there and then squeeze it in the middle. Okay, and then let's do the same there. Push that down. This part has just got a bit stuck in there. There we go, that's a bit better. And on that side. All right, and then I'm just going to squeeze the ends there and there, and then squeeze. There we go. All right. And there it is there. Okay, so now you can either just leave it like that if you wanted to, but let's go ahead and cut the ends. So all we're gonna do is cut either sides like there. And let's do this side, like there. Okay. And then if you're wanting to use your crimping tool, you can. So all you do is to take your crimping tool. It's a bit hard to show this on camera, but all you do is stick it in there and you just pretty much push it in like that and out. And then let's do the other side. What's great about this too is that it squeezes it together and it just makes it that little bit more glued together, or stuck together. And there we go. There is my my Rice Krispie treat. All right, very quick and very easy. All right, so once again, you don't need to have all of these tools or anything. You can pretty much just use whatever you have handy. All right, so let's just do one more. And then the ends. Okay. And let's just do the other side. Okay. And then let's pop in our, now you can put a bit of tape there too if you wanted to, so that you can hold that in. It's up to you. All right, now let's stick you down like so. Now where's my sticky part? There's my sticky part there. It's a bit of fiddling around, but you'll soon get a rhythm of once you've done a few of these. All right, so try and squish it in. Okay, and then let's squish that in there too. Like, just giving it a bit of wiggle room. Okay, like that there. All right, let's fold that all in. Okay, let's squeeze that together like so. Okay, it's always good to do the outside and then work your way in. And then the same on this side. Squeeze from the outside and work your way in. Okay, and then let's give it, this one is a bit puffy, but that's okay. All right, let's give it a cut, and then a cut again. All right. And then you can, of course, use your crimping tool for it. But that is pretty much it. So that's how you make a that's how you assemble a Rice Krispie treat, okay? But I will link down below how you can create your own Rice Krispie treats templates to any theme you want. I will also link down below some other unicorn videos that I have done in the past. For instance, this chip bag. There is, I don't have the chips inside anymore, but that was what it looked like there. And I'll teach you how you assemble it, etc. I'll link all my unicorn videos down below too for you guys to check out. But that is pretty much it. So please feel free to subscribe and hit that notification bell that will tell you when I upload my next video. And like and share and send me any comments you might have. All right, thanks guys.